Good morning, everyone. I'm Vishnu Jagtab in front of all of you. I'm presenting the Economics Time newspaper headlines. So, first of all, macro stability to help sustain growth. Finmin. Next, Airtel weathered storms to emerge as a strong institution. Next, cannot pledge client funds to get guarantees. Next, Mahindra sustain invite pension funds I stake. Next, SBI plans to hit debt street soon. Next, Vedanta very comfortable, concern over its debt situation misplaced. Next, mixed show for formal jobs in Fab. Next, detergents may cost more if government imposes duty on key ingredient. Next, PSU general insurer may monetize reality asset under infusion plan. Next, serious allegation by wrestler need consideration Supreme Court. Next, five-time Punjab CM Parkash Singh Badal passes away. Then comes to the page number 2 in pure politics section of that serious allegation by wrestlers need consideration Supreme Court. Next, five-time Punjab Chief Minister and said Patriarch death. Next, what makes five nations more equal than others? Ask India at UNSC. Next, just lip service would not do. Next, matter in Supreme Court, it will decide Brij Bhushan. Next, Supreme Court inquiries on level of court interference on same-sex marriage. Next, CBI file charge sheet against Sishodia, Kavitha's close aid others. Next, PFI case, NIA searches 16 areas in 4 states. Next, wife Seema Sishodia admitted to hospital. On page number 4 in pure politics section that no new quota till Supreme Court verdict say Boima. Next, Uddhav opposing project on behalf of someone else. Next, Congress bankrupt dependent on BJP defectors Shah. Next, poll about people's issues, not Modi, says Priyanka. Next, business plan on track, Anil Agrawal. Next, ATL needs Indus open to taking complete control of company. On page number 5 in that SEBI bans brokers from creating bank guarantees on client funds. Next, SBI plans to hit debt street soon issue 81 infra and tier 2 bonds. Next, bank six up to $1 billion in dollar bond issue. Next, Titan likely to break out of 18-month range. Next, T-bills ultra short term debt mutual funds look attractive to park cash. On page number 6 in smart investing section that REC to float perpetual bonds of up to rupees 2000 crore. Next, diversifying products and channels made ICICI presidential and industrial leader. Next, Wall Street stocks fall on weak earning. Next, analysts stay upbeat on IndusInd, expect a gain of up to 38%. Next, hotel costs go big on leisure and pilgrim towns has travel booms. Next, AU Small Finance Bank net profit rises 23%. Next, HDFC AMC profit rises 9%, revenues 5%. Next, Nippon Life India AMC posts 13% growth in PAT. Next, Titan likely to break out. Next, SBI plan to hit debt street soon. Next, SBI seek up to $1 billion in dollar bond. Next, Anupam Rasayan touches 52-week high on US order win. Then I comes to page number 7 in company section of that still PLI scheme ambit may be widened. Next, PepsiCo India unit post double-digit organic revenue growth in March quarter. Next, Glenmark Pharma to pay $87.5 million to settle antitrust consumer suit over drug in US. Next, German co Sprinker leases 110,000 square feet office space in Pune. Next, Wellspun One GRT Group to develop warehouses with rupees 700 crore investment. Next, Smart World developers to invest over 3,000 crore in 3 projects this fiscal. Next, AI pilot seek Ratan Tata's intervention in pay issue. On page number 9 in economy section under that PSU general insurer likely to monetize reality assets. Next, mixed show for formal job creation in Fab. Next, remove e-commerce company cause that don't bring main platform on ONDC. Next, fixed timeline to resolve public grievance. Financial Minister tells CBDT. On page number 11, in disruption section of that, PhonePe may waive off Zest Money $18 million debt after failed acquisition. Next, Google challenges Delhi High Court ruling on ADIF petition. Next, ONDC may help rise digital consumption 5 multiplied to $340 billion by 2030. Next, Aadhaar waiting by private entities against a Supreme Court ruling. Experts. Next, Maheshwari is NASSCOM's chairperson. Next, M&S extends deal with TCS for core tech. Next, Jupiter gets NBFC license. Next, Capria opened $100 million Global South Fund 2. Next, local receives $14.6 million in Series B rises. Next, Hampfairs was fired involuntarily. When it comes to page number 12, income brand section under that, detergents may cost more if government impose duties on key ingredients. Next, primary wave music joins hands with Times Music. Next, Serum Life to convert $150 million loan to Biocon Biologic into equity. Next, Tata Starbucks FY23 sales increased 71% to over rupees 1000 crore. Next, PVR founders family office invest in Louis Sich. Next, Nestle's quarter one net rises 25% on the back of strong volume growth. Next, Apple India's desktop and laptop shipments see a sharp fall in quarter one. Next, Sun Pharma rolls out its dry eye therapy in India. Next, many private hospitals stop procuring COVID vaccines as demand drops. On page number 13, in around the world section of that, global pension funds BCI, APG, others, I stake in Mahindra, sustain invite. Next, Biden 80 launches 2024 re-election campaign. Next, Bajaj Auto PAT marginal rise to rupees 1,468 crore in quarter 4. Next, India to surpass China as in world's most populous country this week, says UN. Next, Harry Belafonte, king of Chile, Poso and social activist, dies at 96. On page number 14, the edit page section of that, higher exemption ceiling for angels. Next, finally Southampton comfort. Next, reflection technique. Next, Sudan attest for multilateralist. Next, sum of parts is less than BJP. Next, non-textbook idea works well. Next, gas a solid opportunity. Next, for a greener money plant. Next, difference between older and old. Next, Ashok add to find Dilbert missing. On page number 15, in brand equity section of that, more than a pretty face. Next, entrepreneur mentor inspiration. Next, FIFA silent one World Cup protest but may face more this year. On page number 16, in economic time financial section of that, Kloop wants Salah to be counted among the legends. Next, tip to deal with awkward situations. Next, how a princess was evicted from a historic Roman villa. Next, the great games. Next, Rahane recalled. Next, Sri Arsenal meet in potential Premier League title decider. Next, Miller Manohar help Gujarat demolish Mumbai. Next, quick guide to hurt block. Next, in two nations face of Winnie the Pooh gets punched. Next, what is melasma? Next, the truly unique circumstances of a Bitcoin theft, once worth $3.4 million. Next, Belarusians signed declaration to complete at Wimbledon. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.